Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra sepi da ka singam beats aqua na molai moro ha ka jingdap sunsnem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendai Lat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Lone So Po Shillong. Wan ban thiet ya ka Kali Datsun Ready Go Bathamai ka bas kem bat bidor.
Menteri Rangba Jong Jelau Konrad K Sangma haka arterik unok pra arjar arpo ula kren da ka basyai baka sorkar jela kanam ailat yano ru ban shim ya ka an halagi jong kikti hadian baka wei na kiseng balang ba paukmat ka jela kata ka Khasi Students Union kala berngem ban pentrekam laga jong ka airline permit lada ka sorkar India ka penslem ban munjur ya ka jingdawa ban pentrekam ya ka airline permit haka jela Meghalaya. Haka jinge kren bat kilat patai kubor u Konrad K Sangma ulaong baka sorkar kala thau ru ia ka ain na ka benta ban te lakam ia ka rung kami lailo jong gibar jela bat ki menderi ki ba wan rung kertep sya ka jela bat haka ju kapor ulaya thu ru ba wat ka entry point baka sorkar kala peniang ru kala dep pura bat ka basa menta kalong satang ban shu pentrekam no hapo ki khendiat sngi.
Been already communicating with everybody that there is a sincere effort from the government side. Even the governor has ensured that he will take up the matter with centre, not just for the ILP but also for the MRSSA. So I think these are all very positive news. So therefore there is no need for any such action to be taken by anybody, and obviously this is something that cannot be allowed also. The government will ensure that the law is maintained, but we will also ensure at the same time that all the steps that need to be taken to ensure that we are monitoring the people who are coming in is something that we are very committed to, and that is the reason why now the entry exit points, especially the entry point at Umling is ready physically, but we are just training the manpower now, and I think within a matter of days we should be seeing that entry point being activated. So therefore there can be clearly people will see that there is a committed effort and a commitment from the state government side to ensure that we have a mechanism